Hi everyone, I'm Priya Natarajan and I lead go-to-market for Lenovo for the telco division. Thank you for joining us on the session about Lenovo Open Cloud Automation. There are many automation tools in place today for cloud deployments. If you think about Red Hat or VMware, there's some level of automation in place. However, to get the entire cloud working, you need to go through multiple manual processes that are often sequential, and there is a lot of handoff between different departments. This can be very time consuming and it is typically prone to errors. This causes delay that could potentially impact the time to revenue for communication service providers. With Lenovo Open Cloud Automation, you get one software platform that manages the end-to-end lifecycle of cloud deployment and orchestration. It takes care of everything from OS install to Vim deployment to making sure that your compute storage and networking is racked and rolled together for you to implement quickly. Lenovo Open Cloud Automation fundamentally changes the way organizations work and it makes them more productive. For example, with T-Systems, it used to take them several weeks to onboard new customers because each customer was unique. Why don't we hear more from T-Systems?
The main trend, of course, is the public cloud. So everyone is talking about putting workloads onto public cloud. But we as T-Systems, we believe that it is, for most company, not a private or public cloud story, but we believe that most of the customers want real hybrid scenarios, which means that you cannot put like each and every workload in a public cloud. It doesn't make sense from a security perspective, it doesn't make sense from a cost perspective, and it also doesn't make sense from an operational perspective. So we as T-Systems believe that it is very, very important and sufficient to have a private cloud infrastructure component.